Nacho.
It's good.
Dad.
Eating like an apple. Nacho tasty, Mama. Oh, look at the nacho juice all over. Look here, Maya. Look. What you doing? What you doing? Eating a nacho. Oh. One whole nacho. Hey, watch your head. One whole nacho, Maya. Sure. I'm coming for you. Where are you eating that nacho? Where are you eating that nacho? What you eating? What's that? What you eating, baby? Huh? What you eating?
Ice cream.
How many nachos you ate today? How many nachos did she eat, Trace? Yeah. She ate one already. Oh my God. Whoop. Jeez, I've never seen anyone enjoy a nacho like that.